Whoa, I didn't see you there. Hi, I'm gonna go fishing. Well, I already am fishing, but I might as well film since you're already here. Well, what you're about to see is just uncut footage of me fishing with this crankbait. And let's get to it. Oh, bad cast. About to hit my dog. Boy. See, pond I'm fishing in, pretty washed out. I mean, it's pretty out of fish. Not many fish except that one right there. Oh yeah. Oh. All right, so I just caught probably the biggest fish in the pond right there. Big ol' little fish. Oh, it's only got half a tail. Look at that. But yeah, I was just fishing this crankbait that is now full of leaves because, well, caught the fish and it went flying off and took me into a tree. And well, got a fish. I was just saying, this pond doesn't have many fish, but there's a fish. First fish I've caught in here for about 3 months. Let's get back to fishing. Bye, buddy. Huh. It's the first fish I've caught on camera. Pretty cool. Yeah. So, like I was saying, there's not many fish in here and the pond isn't very healthy. But I'm gonna try to restore this pond personally. You can help me by sending seeds, I guess, because I'm gonna plant some stuff in here. Yeah, just send seeds, whatever. Seeds of some plants I could plant in a pond. Anything helps, yeah. But, gonna be restoring, like I was saying. I'm new to YouTube, don't know how to edit, don't know how to do anything. So this is the best I can do. I have a lot of these crappy videos before I get good at this. And hopefully you'll bump along with the ride. And hopefully, one day, I can meet you, maybe, if I get that big. I'm the next member of the Googan Squad. That's correct, you heard it first here, folks. Being that Googan Squad, I'm gonna catch all the fish. What is wrong with that? But yeah, I usually fish Texas rigs, not many hard plastic lures, any really jigs or anything, just mostly Texas rig with soft plastic. But caught that fish on a crankbait and I feel pretty proud of myself. Not gonna be out here for long because got football practice in about a couple hours. About a couple hours, yeah. If you like what you see, you like me freaking yeeting a fish out of the water about 20 feet, hit that subscribe button, like the video if you want, leave a comment. I'll talk to you if you want. I'll respond to all comments that I can. And Yeah, get on that. Go do that right now.